Trevor O'Neill with Renaissance Partners, and we're here today at the site of our Huntington Beach townhome project, Renaissance Village, where we're transforming this office building and a former restaurant building behind it into a new townhome community. And today we're doing one of the many technical studies that has to be done during a development project, and we're taking core samples out of the ground because this site lies near an earthquake fault. And to allow us to build here, we need to determine exactly where that fault is because the regulations say that we cannot build within a certain distance of the fault line. So we're taking core samples by drilling down, straight down into the earth, and then pulling the earth out. And if you look here what we've got going on in the table, these are the samples that are coming out of the boring auger. Right now we're down about 30 feet. And so we're taking these samples and we're going to take them back to the lab and examine the soil structure. So far, so good. It's pretty easy to tell that we don't have any fault line activity that's gone through the area where we're taking the samples. If we did, we would see some variations in the color and the lines in the soil, but so far it's just kind of like mud, and that's a good thing. And we hope to have that as we go down even farther and on all the other sites that we're going to take the samples from. And that will then give us the green light to go ahead and proceed.